Time now for one more look at the forecast. The rain is here, and a lot of people are concerned about it, right?
Yeah. Hi, Susie. Hi, Juan. That's exactly right. That's why we have this next weather alert. It started tonight, and it's going to be with us through Saturday night. That means we're dealing with 2 days of widespread rain, and there's two pieces of the system that will be moving through. So what I want to do right now is I want to show you what we're seeing outside right now, because that first piece of the system, it's getting here. So some of you are probably hearing those raindrops outside. It's not a whole lot quite yet, but you can see that it's starting to pick up just a little bit. Follow me over this way. I want to talk about the timing of the rain. The next weather alert for widespread rain, heavy at times, and this could lead to flash flooding, especially Saturday. That's going to be our big concern. Let me zoom you into a couple different areas. So the Inland Empire, we've got some light showers that have developed, and then also over into the Santa Clarita Valley, up near Piru, Ventura County has been seeing some of those light rain showers, and all of this on the light side, but it's damp out there already because we've had rain showers moving through. Follow me over this way. What I want to do right now is I want to pull up for you what we're looking at going into tomorrow. And that's going to be this right here, widespread rain in Southern California. And this is going to make for a messy Friday morning commute. So this is peak number 1 of the rain that's moving through. It's the first round, and that means roads are going to be pretty wet to start the day. Let's jump right to it. And I want to time out for you the rain and let you know exactly when you're going to see the heaviest near your home. So what we're looking at is rain moving through late tonight into early tomorrow morning. The focus, Ventura County, between 9 and 10 o'clock. So that's where we're at right now, is what we're seeing through Ventura County. We're going to get to tomorrow morning, though, and this is when it becomes a little bit more widespread, steady rain in downtown Los Angeles. And then you can see midday, rain's not going anywhere, but we're getting just a little bit more of a break. It's not going to be as widespread. Rainy through Orange County. Now it picks up 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the Inland Empire. And once we get to Friday night, early Saturday morning, this is when that second round moves through, because that system is becoming that cutoff low, and it's just going to spin off the coast. It's pulling in the moisture. 6 o'clock in the morning. Now we're talking steady, widespread, moderate to heavy showers, embedded thunderstorms in this. Some of these could be severe. We're talking gusty winds, hail. We've got heavy rain. This is a look right before lunch, and then you're going to continue to see that even into Saturday afternoon. This is when we could see rain rates reaching an inch per hour, and that's why flash flooding is going to be a concern near some of our burn areas. That's why it's important, if you're living in or near any of these vulnerable areas, make sure you're just staying up to date as things change with this system. The first part of it, we're looking at an inch to maybe an inch and a half of rain. So this is healthy rain for us. But it's the second part, once we get to Saturday night, when we're looking at anywhere for 2 to 5 inches of rain for our coasts and valleys. With high temperatures, so much cooler than it has been. We're only reaching highs in the 60s. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Friday, Saturday, there's that next weather alert. Sunday, some lingering showers, a little bit of a lull, and then it's still rainy Monday going into Tuesday. Not as intense as Saturday. It's another storm that sets up. For the valleys, we'll see 60s for the next 7 days, at least the next 6 days, and then we'll start to see the 70s making a comeback by next Wednesday. Let's take a look at the Inland Empire. Chilly this weekend. It's going to be very rainy on Saturday. We see another round of rain Monday and Tuesday with the 60s all the way into next week, Susie and Juan.
All right, Dani, thank you so much. And thanks for watching CBS LA at 10. Our next newscast at 11 on CBS LA Channel 2.
We are CBS LA. We are yours.